Especially that much. Yeah. It's a pretty good picture. Yeah.
Hi.
Please don't. I'm just gonna. I don't want you here. Tell them we're like. Let's call qualification for him. Yes, Tay. You go, Tay. Hope we'll take off. Yes, Tay. No, Lake and yelled at him. Like, so many. I can't know this. I kind of felt bad. Lake and yelled at him, and then people kept, like, everybody in the locker room came out. We were asking him, and we were like, hey, is Lynn inside? He was like, yeah, but we already told him she would say absolutely not. And everybody was telling him, like, she'd say no, she'd say no.
I don't have a horse.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah, I got no hair.
Your hands were greasy. Oh my god. Completely up off the grill and you said there's just like
Oh, come on, ref!
You're such a comedian. Lacey's, oh, Lacey's taking, I mean,
Lexi took a picture of the bunch of humor and Lacey's under playing with
it was known too. Someone's copying.
Good job.
You all right, Leonard?
Yep. Puppy.
You looked up and you were like, I was like, Kaylee?
So Leonard's in the band.
Yep.
Maybe I'm gonna start yelling at you every game now.
Oh.
Just be ready for it.
Okay.
If you hear somebody yelling, it's me.
All right.
I know his grandma can do some yelling too.
Come on, Joe Mike!
Now that Lexi's having kids and Lacey's taking pictures. No, she's on my phone.
Well, that one woman didn't want to do nothing but talk.
Okay. He was trying.
Great.
He was trying. He wants to like angle someone.
I think he's the slowest black guy.
But if throwing Skittles on her back, so she gets him back and she has whelps on her back. It's Roxton. No. Roxton. Where? Why does he have to be here? Oh, can he ever leave? Like, never come back.
Like why? This is for my dad. And then just put it on the internet. Hi.
Do you know how to whisper? I was just wondering.
Megan Boyd. Who is that?
What?
What?
I'm just videoing.
Hi, YouTube. I want to save it. I kind of feel bad. I don't want it. Like, I want to run through it.
I don't have one. I think I'm just like to come here. So you can't be wrong.
Gummy bear. They're ew. Ew, why does it smell like that? Oh my gosh, they're literally like this. His feet were like this at one point. Like, they weren't just like a pizza slice. It was like...
You see the purple thing with the blue $10.
We're gonna be on YouTube. No, it
Leonard,
was bad.
don't
It was
put
like
me on
this.
YouTube, bro.
Hmm?
Don't put me on YouTube.
Yes, Leonard.
Sorry.
How am I able not to get y'all on YouTube while y'all are talking?
You can put me on YouTube.
Okay, here can turn for the ball. Okay, can do whatever. You turn for the ball. That was bro. It wasn't.
Why do you think Sissy don't like this? Sissy don't like this? Hey, why do you think Sissy don't like this?
That's Sissy kid.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill her. Mother!
What's her name? Caitlin? So,
I said, well, y'all are being BTA.
No, I'm not going to. Leonard, ask
You gotta be kidding. Got your hand.
JV,
Oh, cool. I'm
which
not
means
going
it's
to
Aston McCutcheon Cave.
Wait, is that assistant?
I don't know. Oh, it's here.
Ooh.
Hey, it's here too. It's not at. Yes, boy, he's here. Let's go, Jake.
Probably eating
Oh,
food.
and Xander.
Probably eating food.
I don't like him. I like him.
He was a good person. I was there too.
John Jack?
What's his name? John Jake.
John Jack.
John.
Johnny John.
Keegan's boyfriend. John Jake. Okay, bye. Try to stay.
Mhm.
You think the big station board, JV?
Yes.
Huh?
No. Real bad.
He's saving it to like inspect our kids. Say hi, Leonard.
Our friends again?
Yeah. we can and yeah.
There he is. Yo. Yo.
Who is that?
Yo.
Who's he talking to?
Yo.